behind me. He's the clever one amongst the two of us. Lovely Bob to see all your fans that have turned out in force. And I know he has you all on a first name basis. Who's going to set your life? 400? Righto, puts up the furlong at 400,000 at a bit now. 450. Well, this is not going to take long. Good. 400, 450, 500, sir. First call in his favour at 450,000. Twice. Oh, they're really short in the stride, but okay, 460. That'll give everyone confidence. 470. At 470, 70 puts 3 into the stage at 470. Pause so the telephone bidders can get some instructions. But 485. 485 puts up the little 15, loving it. What about that gentleman that's leaning on his feet?
490.
Oh, puts up the little deep sea dive, a little fiver. Okay, 490. 500. See, the strategy didn't work at 500 at a bit now. At 500, 000, will you go? 37.5. 38. You're going to let and a half. 38 and a half. 39. 99 and a half. And then we land on 40 at 540. 24, sir. 43 and a half. You get to land on Star Wars, double 4. May the 4s be with you. Yay, there we go at 544. Dino. Got a few people asking me if we're on the market.
We're on the market.
Oh, there we go. Sir, we're on the market at 544,000. Sir, you had that question for me before. Categorically selling. Someone gets the sold sticker. 63. 563. You said no to me before, so now I'm really confused, eh? Wish I had 2 to sell. I'd like to sell them to you both, but hold tight, guys. I'll go around at 563. Be fair one. Bob, you do it again. 563. Not a whisper, a syllable or a sound at 563,000. Oh, and a half. Did you say half?
Yeah.
Yeah. 64 though, sir. The Beatles. Okay. 564. Sir, this is where you got to just bid with your heart. Don't worry about your head. Hey? But it got me a lot of. It's probably bad advice actually. But at 564,000, Bob, you're doing it again. It is going. 564. Are you sure? We're all out. It is. Have to ask. Sold. Well done, sir.